Hi, I got a new washer. Lowe's delivered to home and they also fixed for me. But if you like to set washer by yourself, this video will also help you. Do not forget to take out these 4 screws. If you don't take it out, machine won't be stable when you turn it on.
¿Saben?
Two water hose will go to the water line. One hose is for the hot water and the other one is for the normal water. Waste removal pipe will go from machine to here, which will remove water from the machine. At the back of the machine is written cold and hot. So put the cold line in the cold spot and the hot line in the hot spot. Machine was not stable when you touch, it was moving, so he's adjusting the machine from the bottom. Now it looks like stable.